Welcome to how to earn money from Canva tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money by creating and selling patterns. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So, I mean by creating and selling patterns is to make a pattern through Canva and you can put it on a phone case or a t-shirt or any printable product that you can see. So how we do that? You can just create a new design or find a pattern template. Like here, you can search for pattern. So here you'll find a lot of pattern templates. Like here you can find any free template, then you can simply click on it, like this one, and you can click on customize. Then here you can change this photo and this photo by adding two new patterns, or you can simply manipulate this pattern. So you can get this pattern and put it on a phone case on Etsy or Shopify or any other website. Then you can sell that phone case or that t-shirt or any other things for good money, and it actually sells. So here you can manipulate this, you can put it here and here, you can copy it, make the pattern thicker, as you see I add more shape to the pattern so it looks thicker. You can also change the colors of the pattern. Then after you finish with the pattern, you can go to File, Download, then download it as any format you want. You can download it as PDF, PNG or any other format. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.